Hello everyone, welcome back to the online classes arranged by St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. This is our moral science class for class 1. In this video, we are going to revise our first chapter, which is the gift. Dear students, as you all know that we have completed our syllabus of half-yearly examinations. That is why from now onwards, we will do our revision. First of all, we will revise each and every chapter one by one, and then we will revise as revision sheet, which will be combined. So, let's start our revision of first chapter. With me, your moral science teacher, Miss Anshika Michael. Dear students, this chapter is about the gifts we have received from God. God has given us many things. In fact, all the things we have is given by God. All the blessings we have today is given by God. And the most important gift which God gave us is our life as a human being. So let's start about this chapter. But before that, I would like to tell you something more about the gift of God. Firstly, all the things are a gift. God gifted us everything. All the things we have are given by God. That means all the things we have today with us are a gift from God. All gifts come from God. All the gifts we receive are coming from God. God has given us all these things. All the blessings we have comes from the God. He only gave us these things. For example, our mother, father, and family. If God had not blessed us with these, we were all alone in this world. Life is a gift from God. Dear children, as I told you, the most important gift of God to us is our life. He gifted us this life to live for others' betterment. So being a human being is a blessing for us, which God have given us. Life is precious, yet life can go past right before our eyes. In simple words, we can say life is like a vapor. Dear children, this life is a gift of God. God has given us this life to enjoy and to be happy in a positive manner, so that we can make others happy. So, it is our responsibility to live it all with so much enthusiasm and self-control, so that we could avoid the wrongdoings. Life is like a vapor. If we will not live it fully, we will regret it, because it is passing by the time, and if we will not enjoy it or do righteous things in this life, it will be waste. God gifted this life to us so that we can do something good to others by our life. So, our response towards this life should be grateful. Now, let's start our chapter, The Gift. Anu is a girl waiting for her father, who promised her to take her to the flower show going on in this town these days. Anu is a small girl who is waiting for her father, who promised her that after coming back from office, he will take her to the flower show, which is going on in the town these days. And she is eagerly waiting for her father. After waiting for a long, her father came and they both departed from home to the way of flower show. Anu waited for a long, and waiting for a long, her father came. And as soon her father came, they both depart from home to the way of flower show. Anu was very excited for seeing different type of flowers in the show. When they were on the way to the flower show, Anu was very excited, because in the show she is going to see the different types of flowers. After waiting for very long, finally Anu reached to the flower show, and she was very happy to see the beauty, variety and the colors of the different kinds of flowers. After walking very long, Anu and her father finally reached to the flower show. And Anu is very happy when she sees the different types of flowers and she mesmerized by the beauty, variety, and the different colors of the different types of flowers. After seeing these flowers, Anu got sad and asked her father, "Why don't we have these flowers in our garden?" In the flower show, when Anu sees different types of flowers, she asked her father, "Why don't we have these flowers in our garden at home?" She is very sad. Why they don't have these types of flowers? They are very beautiful. She is very sad. Then father answered her that every flower needs suitable climate and soil. When father sees Anu sad, he answered that every flower needs suitable climate and soil. Every flower need a season, need a different type of soil. Some need more sunlight and some need less sunlight. For example, you have seen indoor plants. They need less sunlight. For example, money plant is one of them. Money plant does not need soil or sunlight. It can grow in water also. There are some more plants like this. So father is making Anu understand that every flower needs suitable climate and soil. For example, God gave you life after preparing all necessary things for you like Papa and Mama. Papa gives an example to Anu, and the example he gave to Anu is God gave her life after preparing all necessary things which were needed for Anu. Like, firstly, she need Mama and Papa. Then, when all the preparations are completed, then God created Anu for Mama and Papa. Papa is making Anu understand. God created all living beings and all non-living things. We should thank God for all that we have, and especially for our life, because some people does not have life like us. Papa tells Anu that God created all living beings and all non-living things. All the living beings and non-living things are on earth are created by God only. We should thank God for everything we have. God gave us life, Mama, Papa, family, food, cloth, house, friends, and everything we have, that is given by God. And that is why we should thank God for all these things. And as I told you, the most important gift of God to us is our life. We should thank God for our life. The life we are living is not a less thing. Many people in this world does not have life like us. So we should thank God for our life as well as all the things we have with us. This was the summary of our chapter. Now let's do its exercise. Firstly, we have given a question which is complete the sentences. Our first sentence is dash life is a gift of God. The question asks, whose life is a gift of God? Yes, my life, our life is a gift of God. So the answer is my life. M-Y, my. My life is a gift of God. Secondly, my dash is a gift of God. What is the gift of God? My life. Yes, life is the answer. And how do we spell it? L-I-F-E, life. My life is a gift of God. Third is my life dash. My life what? What will be the answer? Yes, my life is a gift of God. What we will write? My life is a gift of God. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. Question A. Dash to hear. What we used to hear? Yes, we hear by our ears. So the answer is ears to hear. Question B. Dash to see. Now what is the answer? Eyes to see. We see with our eyes, no? Eyes to see. E-Y-E-S, eyes. C question. Dash to clap. What do we use to clap? Yes, we use our hands to clap. And how do we spell it? H-A-N-D-S, hands. Hands to clap. Question D. Dash to walk. What do we use to walk? Yes, we use our legs to walk. And what is the spelling of legs? L-E-G-S, legs. E question. Dash to sing. How do we sing? We sing with our mouth. And how do we spell mouth? M-O-U-T-H. H. Mouth. F. Dash, to smell. How do we smell? Yes, we smell through our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This was our question number 2. Now moving on to third question. Third question is, answer the following questions. Our first question is, who gave us everything? Who gave us everything? Yes, it is God who gave us everything. So what will we write in answer? God gave us everything. Question 2. What is God's most precious gift to you? Yes, as I told you, what is the most precious gift to us is? Yes, God's most precious gift to us is our life. So what will we write in answer? God's most precious life to me is my life. Yes, dear children, be very careful while writing the spellings. You have to learn this work and also write in your copy so that you can avoid the spelling mistakes. This was our revision of chapter 1. Now homework. You have to learn the work done in the class and you have to write it in your notebook. As I told you, you have to be very careful while writing. You have to learn spellings also. Okay? So this was our first chapter's revision. I will meet you soon with next chapter. Till then, study well and be happy. Thank you.